transferring currency across borders has been unnecessarily complicated and a headache until today with MT Coin. In the barter system, to the gold standard, to paper currency, and the evolution of plastic and credit, systems, banks, and third parties have always had a hand in the transfer of monetary goods. But the truth is, all of these have paled in comparison to the advent of digital e-commerce, mobile wallets, cryptocurrencies, and finally, MT Coin. Until today, cryptocurrencies have grown in value through mining and worldwide adoption by consumers. This is where MT Coin has a unique competitive advantage. Introduced as a partially pre-mined coin, MT Coin fast-tracks money transfers supported by a completely decentralized process with no third parties involved. No more banking costs and no more currency conversion costs. That's why MT Coin is set to become the premier currency for e-commerce and the service industry, with vendors seamlessly partnering and collaborating all over the world with limited to no surcharges, fees, and added costs when dealing with currency transfers. Within the next 3 years, MT Coin will secure top-tier status in the cryptocurrency market, overcoming Bitcoin. Bitcoin has already matured. Their user base is too high. The cost per coin is too high. And Bitcoin offers no promotional benefits. MT Coin, on the other hand, already has 84 million pre-mined coins. MT Coin has a safeguard against illegal activity, faster mining and confirmation, an extra secure wallet system. And MT Coin will feature the lowest entry-level price on the market. With numerous features and functionality, MT Coin will become the leader in wealth management, property acquisitions, deposits, credit, loans, and all e-commerce from online shopping to entertainment, shopping, and destination travel. Each digital wallet will be linked to a single mobile device with a 12-question PIN and upcoming retinal scan security system for each phone number. This is the next level and cryptocurrency security. Ultimately, MT Coin will be the #1 point of sale currency across the world. Industry will benefit greatly from MT Coin. International transactions at seaports and airports using MT Coin will be faster and cheaper than traditional banking. So, how will a MT Coin transaction work? Between a buyer and seller, a small, anonymous and one-time use escrow account will be opened to run the transfer of MT Coin. Once both parties have agreed that goods and services have been delivered, the transfer will take place with no extra costs. Option: once both parties have agreed that goods and services have been delivered, the transfer will take place with no extra costs. This will be fantastic for major money transfers for things such as education payments to academic institutions, property purchases, and large consumer purchases, replacing the need for wire transfers. How can you start using MT Coin? The initial coin offering of MT Coin has a number of subscriptions you can partake in, with an initial purchase of 1 to 500 coins at a cost of $0.6 USD to $2.5 USD per coin based on level of purchase. With all the added benefits over other cryptocurrencies, MT Coin is set to grow from $3 to $50. While MT Coin lists at $3 on the Universal Exchange, initial coin offering members can benefit from daily 30% dividends for up to 90 days post-launch. For example, if the rate is just $5 after 90 days, if you purchased a $0.6 USD per coin initial offering before July 10, 2017, you stand to get 800% or $4,850 profit during the pre-launch phase. Plus, countries all over the world who partake in the initial coin offering stands to earn tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in gifts, from Apple products to diamond jewelry, cars and vacation packages, based on the level of your initial coin offering purchase. Your investment is your decision and subject to Empty Coin guidelines as this revolutionary cryptocurrency grows. From your security to the terms and conditions governing Empty Coin, you can now take part in the leading digital cryptocurrency. For any questions about security, your investment, rewards, and country-to-country jurisdictions, go online to moneytradecoin.com. Welcome to the new revolution in the new era of cryptocurrency, Empty Coin.